Hi DLRs, Joe from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to show you and talk about how to connect an August smart lock to an August Connect Hub. Now the hub is actually a Wi-Fi bridge that allows the lock to connect to Wi-Fi and gives you some additional features with the lock. One of the main ones that you may be interested in is connecting the lock to Apple HomeKit. You can do that with Bluetooth, but you have to keep your hub near the lock and it's just kind of a hassle. Another thing that the Connect Hub is going to give you access to is being able to remotely control the lock through your app on your phone or whichever device you have it loaded on. So it does allow greater functionality with the lock, as you're going to be able to see what's going on with it away from the house as opposed to just interacting with it via Bluetooth. The connection setup for the hub is quite easy. The one thing that you're really going to want to know though before you start is that the hub is only going to work on a 2.4 gigahertz network. So most routers have that in it in addition to the 5G. Just make sure that when you are setting this up that you're using that network to perform this, or you're going to have a frustrating time. So, pardon me, before we start, also know that you're going to have the August lock linked with your August app before you begin the process. We have that in another video. We're not going to go through that now. We already have the lock set up, so we're going to jump right into connecting the lock to the hub. So as you can see here, we have our August lock, we have our Connect Hub, we also have our little power supply coming up. So I'm going to head over to the tablet and just start the process there. I'm going to load up the August app. I'm going to click the hamburger button, and then I'm going to do set up a new device. I'm going to set up an August Connect, as you can see. And yes, so we do have our tablet on the Wi-Fi network, and we're ready to start. So we're going to click continue. So when you do set this up, you're going to want the August Connect within 10 to 15 feet of the lock, and ideally also that distance between the Connect and the router. You may have to reorganize some stuff in the home to do this, but that's what they recommend. So I'm going to plug the Connect into my power supply and then click continue that it is plugged in. I'm going to press and hold the button on the front of the Connect for 5 seconds, and we should see a green light blink slowly. So nothing yet. I'm going to try it again. And there we go. So we have our slow blinking green light. I'm going to click continue on the app. So as you can see on our app, we did find the Connect, and now we're going to join it to the Wi-Fi network. Go ahead and click next. And as you can see, it did join our network. I'm going to go ahead and click done. And it's telling us that it was connected to the network. So now I'm going to click the test signals button. And as you can see, everything is within enough range of each other. We're getting great signals for the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to do finalize setup. And as you can see, it's saying that the Connect is set up and operating the lock will work the same if you are near or far away from your lock, which is exactly what we wanted it to do. So I'm going to click OK, got it, and we're all set. So With that simple process, now your lock is set up for remote use, and you're also set up to configure it with Apple HomeKit. Again, you can use it without the Connect Hub with HomeKit, but it is kind of a hassle getting the Apple Hub or the HomeKit Hub close enough to the lock and leaving it there. This makes it much easier. Plus, you get the functionality with the app. If you do have any questions though about setting up an August lock, configuring an August Connect, or any other questions about HomeKit or alarm related stuff, feel free to reach out to us, 888-818-7728. Send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com or head over to our website, www.alarmgrid.com. If you did enjoy the video, feel free to subscribe. And if you want to be notified when we post future videos, hit the notification button below and we'll send you an update when we do so. Thanks for watching and have a great day.